That's all I need. I'll make it. Yeah, that's all I need.
What's up guys, quick video just to answer a question that I get all the time, and that is how to mix my fuel. Alright, so this is what a standard fuel mixing bottle looks like for the Baja 5B or any fifth scale that you get from Roven or King Motor. There are some variants out there. For the most part they do look like this, and you've got a fuel side and you've got an oil side. So what you want to look for firstly is the one that says 25:1. That is the ratio you want to run at. So look for 25:1, and it's got all these measurements. If you've got a little bit of fuel or a little bit of oil, that's the one you throw first. You pour the oil that you have the least, or the petrol that you have the least, right? So here I've got my oil, and I'm going to top it up to the number 10. There's a little number here on the side that you'll see. You pour it to a number 10. And then what you do is you pour your fuel in on this side. You pour your fuel in this side to the same number. Alright guys, so if you throw oil to number 5, you pour fuel to number 5. If you pour fuel to between 5 and 10, you pour oil to 5 and 10. That will give you an exact 25:1 mix ratio, and then you just close both of these up nice and tight, and then you mix them over. You pour the oil into that side, the fuel into this side, until it's all mixed up. Just be careful, these bottles are not for storage. You mix your fuel in here and then you put it in another bottle that can hold fuel, can hold the pressure. These little seals here will not hold the pressure, and you'll get fuel all over your car, all over your workshop, or wherever this thing falls over. Alright guys, I really hope that helped you. This is Ezeetrade Racing. Get out there and keep on bashing. If you guys want to see how to remove a motor, then you can click right here. And if you guys want to see my car with the OBR full mod, taking it for a rip, click right here. Signing out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.
So far